case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1949 Iowa Supreme Court case, First Presbyterian Church v. Hodge, the court addressed the jurisdictional question of whether Iowa courts could determine the validity of a will that devises real property in Iowa, if that will had been denied probate in the non-resident's domicile state. The court affirmed that the legal authority of a will is determined by the law of the state where the property is located, and thus the Iowa court had the power to interpret and approve the will of a non-resident who owned property in Iowa. This case arose when Mary E. Berry, who owned property in both Illinois and Tama County, Iowa, passed away. Her will was initially granted probate in Illinois, but was later denied by the Illinois Supreme Court, which ruled that it had been revoked by cancellation, leaving her intestate. A beneficiary filed a petition for probate in Iowa, where the decedent also owned property. Heirs at law filed objections based on the ruling from the Illinois Supreme Court, arguing that it was conclusive upon the Iowa courts. However, the Iowa Supreme Court held that the Tama County District Court had jurisdiction to probate the non-resident decedent's will, which involved Iowa property. The court argued that the Illinois judgment did not nullify or modify the Iowa statute concerning probate jurisdiction. As such, the Iowa courts could determine the will's validity, regardless of the Illinois Supreme Court's judgment. The appeal was ultimately reversed and remanded for an order in accordance with the court's decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.